Hi everyone, in this video you are going to learn how we need to automate one manual test case. So we will take a one simple manual test case. So now you can see the screen. This is our manual test case. Verify stop button is displayed. So these are the steps, manual steps. First we will execute this test case manually and then we will write automation test case by using Selenium with Java with TestNG framework and also I will run this test case. Let me first we read the title. Verify the stop button is displayed. This is the manual test case. The first step is open the Chrome browser. So we'll open the Chrome browser manually. So now I'm opening the Chrome browser. So one step is completed manually. Now I'll go to second step. Open the application URL. So this is the application URL. So let me open the application URL. Now the second step is completed. Now third step in manual. Click on start button. So you have a start button in this page. So you can see this is the start button. You need to click on this. I clicked on this. Now what is the last step after clicking the start button? Verify stop button. So now you are able to see right stop button on the application. This is you automatically verified through manually. Now the same test case will do automation. So first step, what is the first step in manual? Open the Chrome browser, right? So now we'll open the Chrome browser through Selenium with Java. If you want to open a Chrome browser through Selenium with Java, you have to write this command WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. This will open Chrome browser. Now, after opening the Chrome browser, what you need to do? You need to do open application URL. What is your application URL? You have to copy the application URL. Now, this application URL you want to open through automation. So first you have open Chrome browser. Now you have to open application URL. You have to write one method driver.get in double quotation. You have to mention the application URL. And after that, opening the application URL, I want to wait for some time because sometimes application will take time, right? For loading. So I will put it as a 3 seconds. 3000 means 3 seconds. So it's just a wait time when the sometimes you might be observed application is loading. You are opening the application URL may take time to load. That's the reason I put the some wait time till the application is loaded. So after that, what is the third step after opening the application URL? Or what is the click on the start button. So if you want to click on the start button through automation, you have to take a locator for this. I'm taking the locator by using selector sub. So let me take a XPath. Now I will write a XPath for this start button. Driver dot find element. Okay, and then by dot id, and inside this I will put the locator XPath, and then I need to click on this. So you can use click method in Selenium which is given. So now third step is also completed. Click on start button is completed. You need to take a locator. The locator you have to copy from the website. There are many ways taking the locator, but I am using selector sub. You need to whatever locator you want to take a particular button, you need to move your mouse on this locator and have a right click and go to selector sub, copy relative XPath. You can take ID name also, but I usually use XPath. So I'm taking XPath. So copy XPath and driver.find element inside by ID. Here you are using XPath, right? You have to put it as a XPath. Now here you need to paste your XPath. Now you are done. You need to click on this. Now the last step is verify stop button is displayed. Now again you want to verify, right? Find element. Again you have to take a locator. Again I will take a XPath only. So I'm taking XPath. First I will mention here XPath. Double quotation. Now I go to application. After clicking on the start button, I have to take a XPath of the stop button. Again, I will go to set the sub and copy XPath, and again you have to put it here. If you want to click on the particular button, you will use click method. It's coming from Selenium. Now you want to verify stop button is displayed or not. So that you have to use is displayed method. Now you are done. Now last one is you need to close the browser, right? Once you are done with your work, you need to close the browser. So that's the reason I put the some time. Now I will put some wait time. After clicking on start button, I will put some wait time because after clicking on start button, might be sometimes stop button will take time to display on the UI. So what do you mean by that? When you're clicking on start button, it may take some time to display stop button. So that's the reason I put some wait time. After clicking on the start button, I have to wait 3 seconds. Okay. In Java, whenever you write a code, you have to end with semicolon. Everywhere you can see after every line I put the semicolon, which is very important. Now the test case is done. Now we will run the test case. Now go to testng.xml. Here you can see testng.xml. Have a right click on this and go to run as option here, and then go to testng suite and run that test case. Now click on OK button. Now we are going to see the execution through automation. You see now automation is open the browser and it's click on the start button. Now it will click on that. See, it clicked on start button and it will verify stop button and it is closing that. You can see the result also here. You can see test run is passed. The result suit is also showing. See, now this is how we need to convert one manual test case into automation. Whenever you're converting, you have to write in the method. This is the method. Okay, this is the class. Inside this class, you can write number of test cases. Each test case you should always maintain one method.